Good morning, everyone. Myself, Biraja.
After fighting for 34 years, we have been waiting for this historic day, and we are today really happy to sign and
खनफ्रोमबो सोरखारजों सावरायनो थांनायाव बर'फ्रा जेनदों थगायजादों बेनिखायनो जों सांग्रां जानांगोन जोबथा आरो जौसिन मेलेम आरो गियान गोलो बाहायना दावगालांनांगोन
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Biraja, and I request PM Modi sir and Hemanta sir to give freedom to Jardala sir and also the others who were in jail before MP election. Also give freedom to them who were in jail. They should break the case in other states like Arunachal, Nagaland, Shillong. I hope PM Modi sir and sir will give them freedom before the MP election. In the place of MP, it was good if they send one all to XNDB from Kokrajhar, Udalguri, Dorong. Thank you.
there is no new development as far as the peace process is concerned, but I'm hoping very soon. Okay. No, it is after formalities. Everything will be decided. I am just suspected, accused, and CBI has solicited against me, and the trial is going on in the court. So I will respect and honor the verdict of the court. Thank you very much. We have been fighting for our land, for our identity, for our people for the last 34 years. And at the same time, we have been waiting for this historic moment or an agreement. Today, it has become possible because of the Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, and Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. An agreement has been met. We have signed in an agreement, and we hope that this agreement will usher in a new era, an era of peace, harmony, and development.
So we have seen that people are struggling to accept this fact that Boro people are always being united, and as you have struggled this long by staying even if the peace accord will not satisfy other people. So what do you say? Is peace accord will satisfy other groups also?
We the Boro people are not fighting against any community, against any creed, against any religion. We have been fighting for only our own rights, legitimate rights, for a land where we can live with honor, where we can live with our own identity, culture and tradition, and in a homeland. So we are not against any caste, community, or creed. So the others people should not be afraid of us, afraid of our struggle.
So what will be the next step again?
It will be decided by our party and by you and all the people. So after fighting for 34 years, we have been waiting for this historic day, and we are today really happy to sign an accord with the government of India. Hopefully, this agreement or the accord will usher in a new era, an era for peace, harmony and development.
But you had different demands altogether when you were fighting. But today you considered two demands which are much lower than what you anticipated. So what do you think about that? It is a kind of compromise on your part or on the part of NDFB?
No, we are happy to sign today.
Very happy today. क्यों সময়ৰ আহ্বান ক্ৰমে আমি আহিলোঁ শান্তি প্ৰক্ৰিয়াত ভাগ ল'বলৈ আৰু আমাৰ বিশ্বাস আছিল আমি যিখিনি বিচাৰিম সেইটো পাম বুলি আৰু সেইটো পাইছোঁ আমি সাকসেসফুল বুলি আমি ভাবিছোঁ
Thank you.
They waiting for that day then today because আজি খুব আনন্দিত আমি কি ভাবিছিলোঁ ৰাইজে কি ভাবিছিলোঁ এইটো মানে it came into reality. We have been fighting for many years, but we believe the modern politics. Now the people's want peace. Manu sobo rise amar boro hore shanti chahiye and peace and development. So we respect their spirit. We have respect their spirit and come and we have negotiate. And now today,
First time.
now it is a very historic day. Absolutely happy. We are very